So this problem says it takes 9.25 hours to fly from London, England to Chicago, Illinois at a distance of 3,952 miles. What is the average speed of the airplane in miles per hour and kilometers per hour? So first of all, if we're looking for average speed, we need a formula for average speed. So that is average speed is equal to total distance over time. So if we're looking for the average speed in miles per hour, the miles is given, or the distance is given in miles, so we can plug that in directly. 3,952 miles divided by the time, and it wants it in miles per hour. So we can also plug in directly the 9.25 hours. And that gives us, if we do 3,952 divided by 9.25 gives us 424.24, and it continues miles per hour. And to finish this part, we need to round to sig figs. 9.25 has 3 sig figs, and 3,952 has 4 sig figs. So we round to the smaller number. We round to 3 sig figs, which would be to this 4. So the answer would be 424 for the part of miles per hour. But the next part asks for the answer in kilometers per hour. So to figure that out, I would first take the amount of miles, which is 3,952 miles, and we can convert that to kilometers using a conversion factor. We put the unit of miles on bottom, kilometers goes on top, and the conversion factor that I have is that 1 mile is equal to 1.6093 kilometers. So the 1 will go with the miles, and the 1.6093 will go with the kilometers. And that cancels out the unit of miles. And if we multiply that out, we get 3,952 times 1.6093. And I get that to be 6,359.95 kilometers. It continues, but that's good. Okay, so we aren't at the end of the problem, so let's just leave it for now. And if we plug this into our average speed formula, we get the total distance is the 6,359.95 kilometers divided by the total time, which we still want kilometers per hour. So we plug in our time in a unit of hours, 9.25 hours. And if we divide that, I get 687.56 kilometers per hour, which again, we need to round that to 3 sig figs. So we round to the 7, the number to the right is 5 or larger, so we add 1 to the 7 to make 688 kilometers per hour. Would be the final solution for the second part. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to my channel for more homework help questions.